In this video, I will show you how to safely uninstall apps on your Windows laptop. So let's meet. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel and you find this guide useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Windows tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. So the very first thing you need to do is to come to the bottom right here from your search engine right here. So what you need to do is to simply type in Control Panel. Then you have to navigate to Control Panel right here. Click on Control Panel. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to Uninstall a program. Then it takes you to all the programs or apps that have been installed on your laptop. Next thing you want to do is to simply locate the actual apps that you want to uninstall from your Windows PC. So right here, I'm going to uninstall Zoom Workspace. So you have to select the apps that you want to uninstall. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to Uninstall right here. So after a successful uninstall, next thing you can do is to right click on the program right here, then click on refresh. Then you can simply check on the app again and see if you still have the app on your PC. So you can see right here that we have successfully uninstalled the app from our Windows PC in a safely manner. So this is how to basically uninstall any app on your Windows PC without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Windows tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.